In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your birthday on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at menu icon and then hit add gear to open up settings. After that, enter your account center, and that's where you can easily find the personal details. If we tap on it, it will bring us to personal details where we can find birthday. We can get into it, and that's where we can change our birthday by hitting at this edit button. Then we can just tap at our birthday and we can easily change year, month and day. Once we've done with that, we can hit at save to set new birthday on our Facebook profile. That's how you can easily change birthday on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.